Daddy soldier! Big mommy.
You know what?
Boże, ale...
Gone Shifasai.
Shut the fuck up. What did you just call me?
Gone Shifasai. Gone. Give it a shake.
I'm running away from you, you're weird.
Happy New Year. Inconspicuous. Wow. Okay.
Just you killed me, you motherfucker!
Let me in, coach.
What the fuck?
Okay.
I just spent 3 hours recording and all of this is to shit.
Where are we?
Go down that road. This way.
Down?
Yep, this way. Go. No. Why did you turn?
Said down.
No, I said this way.
I just said down.
No,
What do you mean?
left. This
No, you
this
said
way.
down.
This way.
You said down.
Actually, yes, down the map, so we're going the right way now. This is down the
You
map.
messed up. I didn't see the map.
What are you doing? Road! Do you know where the road is?
The road is where I ride, okay?
No.
Not the other way.
No, that's a pole, Ray. That's a zombie, Ray. That's a fence, Ray.
I know.
That's a car, Ray.
I wanted to kill the zombie. Why I didn't kill him? Like, he's under the...
He's on. Oh
you
god,
good?
that looks terrible.
He
He looks. Oh god, he's in the car. Oh,
He can't leave this car forever now. I think something is wrong with you.
it is.